Hey y'all, it's Kasey with Frazer, and I'm so excited to be back in Houston. Today we're going to be looking at Krum Fire Department's brand new truck. It is beautiful. This is a Type 1 14-foot door forward mounted on a Ford F550 chassis. It is four-wheel drive. One really cool thing they did on this one is the Buckstop front bumper. This is not a common bumper you see on our Frazer truck, so we are really glad to be able to showcase this. It has the Federal Q2B siren. That is a big old siren. It's going to make lots of noise, and they are really excited about that. Going back, you can look at this beautiful black and red paint scheme. They did more of the blacked out, murdered out look with this black tread right here, black tread right there. Even the Whelen lights have the black flanges around them. So we really just tied that whole scheme together. As I said, it's door forward. And then we have a MEPS system here. So when you do MEPS, you know you get this extra storage compartment because the generator is mounted under the hood. Coming back here, more black and red because we couldn't get enough. They have the backboard storage on this door forward, which is not as common, but you'll see why on the inside. So then that leaves that O2 compartment at the front open for whatever you want to put in there because your backboards are now laying down. Coming around, standard compartment layout. This is prepped and ready to go for SCBA storage, so you can mount them on those back corners in the plates. We did the chevron material on the doors as well, so when these doors are open at night, they are reflective, so there's some visibility, some safety for the guys. Standard Dometic AC. Coming back here, more storage. So this is where your stair chair is going to go. Standing up, adjustable shelving to the left of it. We know equipment changes, so we want to be able to keep up with that. So that shelf can go up and down. It can flip over so you don't have the lip. Basically, this grows with you. Like I was talking about, this is their stand-up O2 bottle with that door forward layout. So bottle will go here to the left. They basically have open storage to do whatever they want. In the future, they could add shelving, add brackets, stuff like this. There's an e-tool mount, but they're going to do more with this compartment when they get it back. Now I'm going to take a look inside and we'll see what they got. One great thing about this truck, the outside matches the inside. The inside is beautiful. I love this color scheme. Blue cushions, onyx floor, yellow grab rails. I think it just looks really nice. One thing they do have here is the upgraded Valor captain's chair. It's super comfortable, ergonomic, and it reclines. Here we have the Austin hardware latches on this front wall cabinet. They open really nice, close super easy, and those are crash tested and compliant to the latest safety standards. Coming this way, we have the Technimount. We've all seen this before, but as we can see, this is the upgraded heavy duty Technimount bracket. Slides in super easy, spins all the way around, so it makes that monitor mount easy and out of the way. So as I talked about on the outside, you can see on the inside here how this squad bench layout is a little bit different than our normal door forwards. Usually there's a captain's chair here, but what we've done is opted for an actual bench seat, like a normal 14-foot. Gives you a little bit more maneuverability. You can move up and down wherever the patient is without messing with that captain's chair. One other thing it does offer you as well is this larger inside-outside cabinet. So larger countertop space to work and also just larger cabinet space inside. So that's great if you want that additional storage. So you can see at all the seating positions, we have these 6-point harnesses. As well, over on this cabinet, I wanted to show you all these. This is a newer style door on this cabinet after the CPR seat. We call these the saloon style doors. As you can see, you can open up the full cabinet, get full access to everything. There's still that Austin hardware door, open and close super easy. I want to give a big thanks to Krum Fire Department for letting us build this new unit for you. We're really excited to get it up there. If you like this video and you want to see more, head on over to frazerbilt.com. Thanks so much, y'all.